Emily is my name. My age is 28. I have a spouse. Jake is my husband's name. He is 30 years old. We've been wed for 5 years. Jake is a good man. He adores me. He looks after me. When I'm ill, he assists me. He prepares meals for me. He doesn't talk loudly. He never loses his temper. He doesn't ever hold up his hand. He listens to me all the time. I always get his respect. However, Jake doesn't make a lot of money. He puts in a lot of effort in his work. He's employed in the construction industry. He puts in a lot of overtime. Every month, he makes about $2,500. This sum of money is insufficient. I work too. I work at an excellent job, $5,000 a month. Jake makes less money than I do. Jake regrets this. I advise him to launch a company. I don't know how, he says. I'm annoyed. I'm looking for a better life. I'd like more. Our home is not large. Our car isn't very nice. We don't own a company. We share a little apartment. We don't own anything fancy. I adore Jake. However, I get upset sometimes. You are not like other men, I tell him every day. Other guys purchase presents for their spouses. Big houses belong to other men. There are other males who own enterprises. You're a lousy husband. Jake pays attention. He remains silent. But his eyes seem sad to me. Jake's monthly income is $2,000. He offers his parents $1,200. I get $1,300 from him. It is insufficient. I require more. I'm annoyed. Jake arrives home late one day. Where have you been? I ask him. I was looking for another job, he admits. I'm content. Have you secured employment? I inquire. No, but I'll keep trying, he says. Jake gets up early the following day. He leaves before the sun rises. After sunset, he returns home. He seemed worn out. I found a second job, he says. At night, I'll work at a restaurant. I'll make an additional $1,500. I'm content. Well done, I say. Jake has 2 jobs. He gets up early. He arrives home late. He doesn't have time to relax. He doesn't have time to chat. He doesn't have time to grin. Jake returns home one evening. He appears frail. He has trembling hands. He collapses. Jake, what happened? I scream. I'm just tired, he says. I'm afraid. I take him to the medical facility. I'm tired, the doctor says. He needs to sleep. I feel bad. I weep. Jake's hand is in mine. I apologize. Jake grinned. Don't cry, my love, he says. Something strikes me. Jake doesn't have to be wealthy. Jake doesn't have to purchase gold. Jake doesn't require a high-end vehicle. Jake makes an excellent husband. Jake adores me. Jake looks after me. That's sufficient. Jake's hand is in mine. I love you, I say. He grinned. I love you too, he says. While money is necessary, love is even more significant. Jake will never again be compared to other males, in my opinion. A powerful woman's decision. Emily is my name. My age is 35. It's been 10 years since my marriage. My boy is mine. He's 9 years old. James, my spouse, had nothing when we were married. I loved him despite the fact that he had just 1 suitcase of clothes, no house, no car, and no money. We rented modest apartments. We had trouble. It was a difficult life. I put in a lot of work. I spent a lot of time studying. I never gave up. I finally obtained a nice job after years of hard labor. I now make $7,000 a month. I took out a loan to purchase a home 5 years ago. I later purchased a vehicle. Our lives improved. James, however, remained the same. He is employed in the construction industry. He works some months. He doesn't in certain months. When he works, his pay is $3,500. He doesn't get paid when he doesn't work. The worst thing isn't that. I don't matter to James. Our son is unimportant to him. He doesn't save money. He spends his money on other women when he has it. He is silent at home. He's courteous. He has regard for others. He's different on the outside, though. He goes with women to motels. He buys them with our money. His family is not on his mind. I put a lot of effort into buying our home. I bought our car with a lot of effort. Our life was created by me. He doesn't care, though. I'm not supported by his mother. You have a job, she says. You're wealthy. It is your duty to look after him. Your wife has a good job, she informs him. The food must be purchased by her. The bills must be paid by her. She has to handle everything. She adds that she might have a man at work if she is promoted. She makes negative remarks about me to my children. My son is perplexed. He doesn't comprehend. James and I argue every day. He had met a woman 4 months prior. He is younger than her. She has a lot of money. Go out of the house, he said. You're welcome to invite another male. I don't give a damn. Then he went away. He wants to return now. I made a mistake, he says. I apologize. Please pardon me. However, I do recall everything. I put a lot of effort into my work. I did it all, and all he did was hurt me. I'm at a loss on what to do. I turn to face my son. He is not guilty. He needs a dad. Does he need a father like this, though? In my room, I sit. I believe I'm able to live by myself. I'm able to look after my son. I don't require a man who doesn't value me. I inhale deeply. I get to my feet. I've made up my mind. I'll make my own decision.